Alright, so everyone's talking about the big beautiful bill, you've seen the headlines, you've heard the debates, but what's actually inside this thing? Let's break it down. First off, this bill is massive. We're talking about hundreds of pages, billions of dollars, and a lot of moving parts. The main goal to tackle some of the country's biggest economic and social challenges head-on. So what are the key provisions? The bill has three big pillars. First, infrastructure. That means new investments in roads, bridges, public transit, and broadband internet, especially for rural communities. Second, healthcare. The bill expands access to affordable insurance, lowers prescription drug prices, and boosts funding for hospitals. Third, education and family support. We're looking at more money for public schools, universal pre-K, and even direct payments to families with kids. Now let's talk money. How are we paying for all this? The bill raises taxes on corporations and the wealthiest individuals. There's also a crackdown on tax loopholes and offshore accounts. At the same time, government spending will go up. Way up. So, if you're wondering whether this will affect your wallet, the answer is, maybe. If you're part of the top income bracket or run a large business, your taxes are likely going up. For everyone else, the main impact will be through new or improved public services like better roads, cheaper healthcare, or expanded childcare options. But what does it really mean for everyday people? If you're a family, you might see more support through tax credits or childcare programs. Small businesses could benefit from better infrastructure but might face higher compliance costs. And workers? The bill promises to create jobs, think construction, healthcare, and education. But some industries, especially those with a heavy tax burden or lots of regulation, might feel the pinch. So what about the long-term effects? Supporters say the bill will jumpstart the economy, close inequality gaps, and make the country more competitive. But critics warn about the risks of higher government debt and potential inflation. It's a bit of a gamble, and the real impact will take years to play out. Of course, reactions are mixed. Lawmakers are split down the middle, some calling it a historic investment, others slamming it as reckless spending. Economists are debating too, some see a big boost for growth, others worry about deficits. And regular folks? Well, people are passionate on both sides, with some hoping for real change, and others worried about the price tag. So, there you have it. The big beautiful bill is ambitious, expensive, and controversial, but it's set to reshape the country in a big way. Whether you're cheering it on or bracing for impact, it's definitely one to watch.